It's an early morning and it's a Monday morning and I've had a day off work. My mate, Bignose13 as he's known as, Simon, has got a new plane he wants to maiden. So we're going up to Atlantis and Common where we're going to maiden his Penguin. I thought I'll chuck in my FX61 Phantom wing. I haven't flown that since I rebuilt it and it's time to give it a test. I've also got my AR wing in there, so hopefully we'll have a good day's flying. Right, Simon, what is that?
Penguin.
A what?
A Finwing Penguin.
Finwing Penguin.
Yeah.
Oh, cool.
They bought it because they wanted something for the summer.
It's not summer.
It soon will be.
And this is the Maiden. Woohoo! Right, where's the black bag, Simon? Hands free! Two clicks of trim, that's all you needed. Right, going up again, what have you done this time? What's happened?
Common calibration. Done all the sensors and whatever. I just got to take it back up now and make sure they're okay.
What do you care to say about the comment on a previous video that Bignose13 is a gangster cult?
If I said to my mother I'm a gangster cult, she'd tell me, don't be so silly little boy. I don't know. I am a gangster. Gangsters.
Yo!
Gangsters.
But it's gangsters for old people apparently.
Well, I'm not old. 53.
Yeah. Right, second flight off the deck. There she goes. Right, what are you doing now?
I'm going to put it on stabilised mode, and if it's stabilised, that's basically it really. So ready?
Stabilised.
No, that seems pretty stable. Still got control.
Still fighting it a bit, but you know it's not so bad. When you're in FPV mode, it's okay like that.
So what flight controller is this?
My Fly Dream autopilot.
My Fly Dream.
There's only one autopilot. I'll keep it up. That's the one now.
So what's he doing now?
It's returned to launch now, which is doing. They should just do an 80-metre circle around our heads, 100 metres.
So I noticed the motor is speeding up and slowing down. What's that?
Well, that's telling me that's the airspeed sensor. It's getting the airspeed of the airplane. It doesn't use ground speed because the airspeed sensor is controlling the actual speed of the plane, and it's going up. The speed, you can tell the motor's going up now. It's keeping it at that height.
So that's obviously when it's with the wind and against the wind then?
Yeah, but it's telling me the airspeed sensor's working.
Oh, you are? It's brilliant. So this is called the Finwing Penguin. So what's your verdict? It looks pretty stable.
Well, at the minute now, it's great, but I'll come into land now. We'll do a launch mode, and then that's pretty much it, and it's going to be set up.
Landing approach.
Pretty happy about that now. It's now time to go into the goggles. Are you ready?
We're ready for goggles.
You can wear them, I'll fly it then. If that's all right then we'll go full FPV.
Full gangster.
Yeah, full gangster. Don't tell my mother I'm a gangster.
Yeah, but it's okay. It's gangster for old people. It's a tame version.
My mother's pretty much a gangster, right? She used to give me a right kicking.
Yeah, for those of you confused about the gangster statement, I had a comment on one of my videos from a foreign viewer who assumed Bignose13, which is his company name for producing antennas, was some sort of gangster nickname, some gangster code. Don't know, some odd people out there. What's that? Gangster Bignose13 is using manufactured antennas.
It's killing me. It's have not took.
Well, you sold them all, have you?
I sold it as soon as I build a cell. They're all gone now. Swap finished. Don't do any more. I'm sure.
You retired.
Retired.
He's in launch mode. So it's in launch mode?
Still in launch mode. Shouldn't have to touch anything now. It should just go for in a 20-degree angle.
20-degree angle.
Ready?
Yeah, we're ready. So that was 20 degrees as well. Fair play. Right, he's going for the full FPV. Now I'm officially the spotter. So whenever you're flying FPV, it's always best to have a spotter. So, where is he, Simon? Go for return to launch?
Yeah, I'm going to go about 100 metres, about 250 metres out and see what happens. I'm going to turn around now, going up to 100 metres.
She's turning.
She's turning, and she's coming over. She's out.
It's back to launch. It's over our heads. Oh, what's that bright thing in the sky? Jeepers creepers, I haven't seen that for ages. Another successful flight. So what's the verdict? The Finwing Penguin?
Gangster plane.
For all people.
Yeah.
That's the only bit I don't like about that is needing a screwdriver to take the screws up, to get the battery.
How is she, John?
Is it okay? And I've now got a stabilisation system, which I'm going to try.
Another stabilisation system.
Yeah.
Is that the one it took about 6 hours to set up?
Yeah.
And I came up and took about 30 seconds to sort for it.
Yeah, you showed me the error of my ways.
Yeah. We have to put that in. Because we're gangsters.
Gangster.
How was it, John?
Really nice. And this is the one I was thinking of getting rid of.
Why's that?
Because I got two. I've got the Skywalker X6.
Oh yeah.
And I need to fly that again as well. I don't know whether I want to get rid of this one now.
Just keep it.
So I hide her in the attic.
Yeah, why not?
She'll never know.
Why not? John O'Royal's FX61.
Look inside. As you can see, OSD is a cheap old Taro. I'm going with the Immersion RC. I put the Becks and everything at the back, so the power supplies are all at the back end with the ESCs. I've got a little stabilisation kit in there which works great.
It's not the one that took about 6 hours to sort out.
It's the one I didn't realise you had to set it up as a 4-channel plane and let that do the mix. I was trying to put that on an existing model that was set up with elevons, and I couldn't understand why it wouldn't work. And good old Simon came to my rescue and said, "You stupid boy, what you do is set it up as a 4-channel plane and let that do the elevon mix." And guess what? It worked fine.
You know why, don't you?
Like,
Because you're not a gangster.
I'm not gangster enough, but I'm getting there. I'm a junior gangster.
Where do you get that antenna from?
This antenna is a Bignose13 antenna. Works really well, good range. You get at least about 100 meters out of it on a good day.
That far?
On 1 milliwatt. Of course, we'd like to stay legal, so
Yeah.
we have a 25 milliwatt transmitter.
Look.
The DJI Spark. fancy a breakfast? How many things have we broken today? Nothing. You had to think about that. how many planes have we broken? Nothing.
My missus thinks I'm over your house having a cup of coffee.
But she'll probably see this video, right?
She probably will. I'm going to get it in a minute.
Because she isn't on Team Woody Sheep.
It'll be on there.